Welcome back to Guilds of Kuro. Today we are tackling a showdown between two of the most popular budget gaming mice out there, the Logitech G203 and its sibling, the G103 versus the Razer Death Adder Essential. So which one should claim a spot on your desk? Let's dive in and find out. First, let's meet our contenders. On one side, we have the Logitech G203 and G103, compact ambidextrous mice known for their reliable performance and robust software. On the other hand, there's the Razer Death Adder Essentials with its iconic ergonomic design and a loyal fan base. Both companies have decades of experience in the gaming peripheral space, but how do these two compare when the specs are laid out? Coming to performance, the heart of the battle. Let's start with performance. The Logitech G203 packs an 8000 DPI sensor compared to the Razer Death Adder Essentials 6400 DPI. That higher DPI gives the G203 an edge in precision, particularly for FPS games. The G203 also wins in click latency, offering quicker response times that make a noticeable difference in fast-paced games. The Logitech's G203 also takes the lead with just 3 playing cards worth of height, while the Death Adder Essential has a higher lift-off distance of 8 cards. That said, while the G203 is snappier, the Death Adder Essential sensor performance is still solid for casual gaming. It's worth noticing that unless you are a competitive gamer, these differences may not make or break the decision. Next up, let's talk about design. The Logitech G203 and G103 share a compact ambidextrous shape, making them great for claw grip and fingertip grip users with small to medium hands. On the flip side, the Razer Death Adder Essentials ergonomic design caters to larger hands and is best suited for palm grip users. When it comes to weight, the Logitech takes the lighter approach at 85 grams compared to 96 grams of the Death Adder Essentials. For some gamers, the slight difference in weight can impact their comfort during extended sessions, so it's something to consider. What about customizations? Well, customizations is an area where Logitech shines, on paper at least that is. The Logitech G203 supports multi-zone RGB lighting, on-the-fly DPI adjustments, and a robust macro customization through the Logitech G Hub software. The Death Adder Essential, in contrast, limits you to static green lighting that lacks the advanced DPI adjustment options that many gamers have come to expect. However, let's not sugarcoat the reality. Both Logitech's G Hub and Razer Synapse have been criticized for their resource usage and optimization issues. Many users have reported that these programs can consume significant memory and occasionally interfere with the games too. So while the customization options are there, the software experience isn't always as smooth as it should be. Now coming to price and value. What's worth your money? Now let's address the elephant in the room, the price. The Razer Death Adder Essential is often the cheapest option, but Logitech G203 offers the better overall value with its superior performance and features. If you're looking for a budget mouse that punches above its weight class, the G203 is hard to beat. The G103, being nearly identical to the G203, offers similar value but may lack the same polish depending on the region's availability. The ultimate choice. But the G203 edges out slightly as the all-rounder champion. So, which mouse would you like to pick for your setup? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more gaming gear reviews and comparisons. Thank you for watching Guilds of Kuro, and we'll see you in the next one.